Camp Landa, the newest RV campground in New Braunfels, Texas, officially opened on May 24, 2024. The 30-acre park, situated in historic downtown New Braunfels and near the Comal River, it offers a blend of high-end camping with a nostalgic 1960s vibe. The resort features 110 RV sites and 5 cabins, each equipped with modern amenities like Wi-Fi, a heated pool, and a swim-up bar. Designed by Texas-based Open Studio Architecture and Co-Pilot Creative, Camp Landa incorporates retro construction materials with modern touches, built where Schlitterbahn used to manufacture their water park rides. The campground offers various activities including pickleball, basketball, sand volleyball courts, and cornhole, along with organized family activities such as a jump pad and crafting station. For convenience, there's an on-site camp store, laundry facilities, and a dedicated shuttle to Landa Falls for river floating. The founders, Stuart and Tasha Blithen, were inspired by their own RV travels and Tasha's family history with Schlitterbahn. They aim to create a luxury camping experience that combines classic hospitality with the charm of New Braunfels' German heritage. They do have monthly rates available from October through April, and would make a great destination for winter Texans. The park is about 1 mile from the Wurstfest grounds and can be reached in about a half-hour walk. New Braunfels, Texas offers a variety of activities and attractions. Schlitterbahn Water Park, Green Historic District, Green Hall, Natural Bridge Caverns, Natural Bridges Wildlife Park, Landa Park, Comal River, Guadalupe River, McKenna Children's Museum, Animal World and Snake Farm Zoo, Museum of Texas Handmade Furniture, Bracken Cave, Wurstfest, plus several winery and brewery tours. You could stay here for a week and not see everything there is to see. New Braunfels is on the edge of Texas Hill Country and is halfway between Austin and San Antonio. Make sure you come and check it out.